नमस्कार दोस्तों, वेलकम टू एसबीआई सिक्योरिटीज मॉर्निंग पॉडकास्ट। इस पॉडकास्ट में हम डिस्कस करेंगे की लेवल्स और बात करेंगे मेन सेक्टर्स के बारे में जो कि फोकस में है। शुरुआत करते हैं ग्लोबल मार्केट अपडेट से। ऑन वेडनेसडे ऑल थ्री मेजर यूएस इंडाइसेस एक्सपीरियंस्ड अ पुलबैक ड्रिवन बाय शार्प सेल ऑफ इन द टेक सेक्टर। The decline was partly influenced by lingering uncertainty over President Donald Trump's tariff plans. The Nasdaq plunged nearly 2%, the S&P 500 fell 1.12%, and the Dow ended 0.3% lower. The Brent crude surged above its 50-day EMA level for the first time since February 21. From the recent low of $68.23, it has surged by 7.5% in 16 trading sessions. Going ahead, the 100-day EMA will act as a crucial hurdle, which is placed at the $74.04 level. While on the downside, the zone of 72.5 to $72.3 will act as an immediate support. The US dollar index climbed above its 20-day EMA for the first time in 17 sessions. So going ahead, the zone of 104.9 to 105 will act as an immediate hurdle for the index, while the zone of 104.2 to 104 will act as a crucial support. Talking about Nifty's view, the benchmark index Nifty has surged over 1900 points from its recent low of 21,964 in just 15 trading sessions. However, it struggled to sustain above its previous swing high of 23,807 and has paused over the last two sessions. Additionally, several sectoral indices have formed bearish reversal patterns such as the three outside down and the dark cloud cover. Despite this, Nifty continues to trade above its short and long-term moving averages. The daily RSI recently peaked at 71.65 before cooling off slightly, though it remains above its 9-day average. Meanwhile, MACD histogram declined on Wednesday compared to the previous session, signaling weakening upside momentum. Considering all the above factors, we believe index is likely to witness a consolidation with a negative bias for the next couple of trading sessions. अगर हम क्रूशियल लेवल्स की बात करें तो 23,400 टू 23,370 का जोन इंडेक्स के लिए एक इमीडिएट सपोर्ट का काम करेगा, क्योंकि ये 100-200 डे ईएमए और इसके पहले के अपवर्ड रैली दैट इज 21,964 टू 23,870 का 23.6% फिबोनाची रिट्रेसमेंट लेवल का कॉन्फ्लुएंस है। अगर इंडेक्स 23,370 के लेवल से नीचे गिरता है तो 50 डे ईएमए क्रूशियल सपोर्ट का काम करेगा, जो फिलहाल 23,077 लेवल पर है। और अपसाइड की तरफ 23,580 टू 23,600 का जोन इंडेक्स के लिए एक इमीडिएट रुकावट का काम करेगा। On the derivatives front, the March futures dipped by 0.77%, while the combined open interest for the current, next and far series also dipped by 6.49%, which indicates an overall long unwinding. The 23,500 strike has a significant call open interest followed by the 23,600 strike. On the put side, the 23,400 has a substantial open interest followed by the 23,300 strike. For the monthly series, YPCR is at 0.82. Talking about Bank Nifty is also witnessing a breather since the last two trading sessions. So going forward, 5800 to 5700 zone index के लिए एक immediate support का काम करेगा, और डाउन साइड में 51,500 टू 51,600 का जोन इंडेक्स के लिए एक बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट रुकावट बनेगा। Talking about Sensex view, on Wednesday, the benchmark index Sensex ended below the 77,300 level with a loss of 0.93%. On a daily scale, it has formed a sizable bearish candle. So going forward, 77,500 to 77,600 का जोन इंडेक्स के लिए एक बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट रुकावट बनेगा, जबकि 76,800 टू 76,700 का जोन इंडेक्स के लिए एक इमीडिएट सपोर्ट का काम करेगा। On the derivative front, the weekly futures ended lower by 0.86% and the open interest of the current series has surged by 16.62%, which indicates an overall short buildup. The 77,500 strike has significant call open interest followed by the 78,000 strike. On the put side, 77,000 has substantial open interest followed by the 76,500 strike. For the monthly series, OIPCR is at 0.72. Now talking about the key market indicators, despite the correction in the frontline indices, the volatility index India VIX also ended on a negative note. Currently, it is trading below its short and long-term moving averages. So going ahead, the zone of 14.3 to 14.5 will act as a crucial hurdle for the index. On the downside, the zone of 12.8 to 12.5 will act as an immediate support. The advanced decline ratio largely tilted in the favor of decliners. Technically, if we talk about the key sectors, so Nifty India Defense, Nifty Private Bank, and Nifty Financial Services are likely to outperform in the short term. And talking about the FIDI data, to the tune of 2,240 crores, while the DI is sold to the tune of 696 crores. The FI's long short ratio for is at 33.58, as on a net basis they bought 6,800 index futures. So that's a wrap of today's edition of podcast. Thank you for listening. Do tune in tomorrow for more such market updates and insights.
Investment in securities market are subject to market risks. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.